French toast is delicious, but there is one simple upgrade you can throw in that turns into something great. This recipe is perfect because it can be made days in advance, and all you gotta do day of is just throw it in the oven. First thing we're gonna need are our beautiful croissants. I have 8 of them right here, and to prep them, we're gonna get a serrated knife and then just cut them in half. Be gentle with them because they are soft and delicate, nice and pillowy, but once you're done, we're gonna set them to the side, and then we're gonna grab a large bowl. In that bowl, we're gonna throw in 5 whole eggs, 2 cups of whole milk, 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla paste. And just so you know, vanilla paste and vanilla extract are the same exact thing. I just think vanilla paste tastes a little better. Now with the whisk, give that a mixing, making sure to incorporate all those ingredients thoroughly. And if you accidentally drop your whisk in the bowl, please don't give out a weird high-pitched scream. Now we're gonna grab a shallow pot, but I'm using a pan to make it easier for you to see, and we're gonna set it to medium heat and throw in 1 stick of butter. I'll then throw in 1 cup of light brown sugar, mixing the butter and sugar together just until it's combined. Don't overheat it because the sugar might turn into a paste and separate itself from the butter. Oh, and again, use a shallow pot and not a pan because you will accidentally spill molten hot sugar on yourself. Ah! Now I'm gonna grab a 9x13 baking pan, pouring in our brown sugar and butter mixture, and you can see here I accidentally overheated the brown sugar. It turned into a paste here. So just be careful and make sure to spread it out evenly on our baking dish. From here, we're gonna now layer in the bottom of our croissants in our baking sheet, and you wanna make sure you're covering every little last inch. To cover up all the little holes, what I like to do is rip pieces off of a croissant and then stuff them in there. Your baking sheet should have a nice even layer of your croissant bottoms. Now I'll layer in the tops of our croissants as well, making it look nice and pretty, and I'll rip off any pieces and fill in any of those gaps that I see as well. You should have a beautiful looking, fully stuffed baking dish with croissants. Now all you gotta do is pour our milk and egg mixture in there so the croissants can soak up that soon to be delicious custard. You can bake this right now, but I personally like to wrap it in aluminum foil and then throw it in the fridge to marinate overnight. This overnight marinade will enhance all the flavors and give you a much better croissant French toast in the end. On the day you want to bake it, we're going to take it out of the fridge and head on over to our oven, setting it to 350 degrees convection bake. Once it comes up to temp, we're going to throw our baking dish in there with the foil on for 25 minutes. Once the 25 minutes are up, we're going to remove the foil and then throw it back in the oven for 10 minutes to get nice and crispy. After the 10 minutes, we'll remove it out of the oven, and now it's time for the best part, which is decorating it. We're gonna first hit it with some powdered sugar, and I accidentally forgot to hit record, so I'm sorry. Damn it! I forgot to hit record. I'm an idiot. But just throw it in a strainer and then lightly hit it, dusting the beautiful powdered sugar over top our croissants. I'll then hit it with a few sliced strawberries as well as some rosemary for extra color, and that's it. You have a beautiful croissant French toast that is perfect for the holidays, especially Christmas morning. Taste-wise, this thing is absolutely incredible. I've never had anything close to this in my life. I highly recommend you guys give this a shot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to give a special shout out to Joshua Weissman because this is actually his recipe. It's a tradition for me and my family to make this recipe for the holidays during Christmas morning, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe and have a wonderful rest of your day.